This is YFM-102M-SB Semi-Auto metal slider mounting and bottom stop machine for the number 5 metal zipper. Now we are going to test this machine and teach you how to operate this machine. First of all, please switch on the machine's power and please check the motor direction is correct or not. And then please put the slider into the slider mounting mode and press the slider, and the slider direction is like this direction. And then please insert the zipper into the slider according to this direction. This is the bottom stop side. Right hand side has 1 teeth more, left hand side has 1 teeth less. Okay, and you need to separate the tape and insert the tape into the slider to make a joint. And make the teeth touch the hook. Okay, and there is the hand switch. You need to press the hand switch and make punch. And you can see the bottom stop, the screws attached like this. Okay, Both Method is teaching you how to operate this machine, and we finished the machinery testing.